Have you noticed this white film on the top of the bottles? Yes, I got an infection in my beer. But what is it, this white stuff on my bottles? Or sometimes you can find on the top of your fermenter, inside the fermenter. I show you better. This kind of film or membrane that you can see here on the surface is called also pellicle, but the real name of this wild yeast is Brettanomyces. You can buy also this yeast. Maybe if I found the link, I can put the link here under the video. This yeast works under low oxygen, but not fully anaerobic condition. So this kind of yeast create this kind of film or pellicle on the surface, like when your wine is spoiled, so you can find the beer and also in the wine this problem. But if you are making lambic beer or rustic beer, so wild fermentation, we can say, is everything normal. Many of you send me some pictures from the fermenter or from the bottle, ask me, send me the picture on Instagram. Keep doing it because I like it to see what are you creating. So send me not only when you have some problem, but also when you have spectacular result. And you show me something like this. You can have the same things in the fermenter. Sometimes it's the normal fermentation, because on the top of your beer, you have the foam, the same foam that you have when you pour your beer in the glass. But sometimes, if you see bubbles big with this kind of films, means infection. So many of you ask me, can I drink this beer or I need to throw it and start everything from the beginning? The answer is yes, you can drink it, but I don't know if you like it, because this kind of fermentation with wild yeast, the final result is a little bit sour. So like I posted already the video here on the channel, the style of beer that is called lambic, they make a fermentation with open fermenter, so the wild yeast enter inside, and after this wild yeast fermented the sugar of the beer, also the sugar from the fruit. They add some berries, forest berries, some blueberries and stuff like that. So also the sugar inside the fruit is fermented. So you can face the same situation also when you make homemade wine. This is why my advice is always to find a nice yeast and keep it, because if not, one time the beer will be normal, one time will be sour. Okay, now to show that the fermentation, it's okay, you can drink it, I put one bottle in the fridge and I will test it for you. You cannot drink at room temperature, because now we have 28 Celsius degrees. So if you drink a hot beer sour, it's awful. So let's test it. From the smell, it's not so sour. Let's test it. Yeah, at the end is very drinkable. You can test it a bit at the end, but it's almost normal. So this is why before throwing all your work, it's better to test it. If it's good, you can keep drinking. If you don't like it, you can throw it. No, it's good. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch and share this video with your friends. If you have some advice, please let us know down in the comment. Maybe you already experienced this kind of infection. Let us know if you like also the sour beer, because in some countries it's common, like here in Italy, it's not common. Plus, before I forgot, the infection, I get it in this small fermenter, probably because this one is a little bit complicated to wash it properly. So some yeast white stuck inside and make the infection to the beer. But I'm using it again and the foam is normal, so probably no infection again. After that you wash it properly, usually I take half glass of homemade whiskey or homemade liquor that I have at home. I put inside the fermenter, I close it, I shake it, and I leave it inside. When I will put the future beer inside, the little bit of alcohol that you have of your liquor will be dissolved in your beer, so no problem, because when you use some sanitizer, after, if you don't wash it properly, you will drink also the sanitizer. Better to put a little bit of liquor, homemade liquor, and you will drink it with your beer. Bye bye.